classroom. Wait, we haven't talked about that yet.
Hello, my name is Wendy Finlayson. I'm an English language specialist with the U.S. Department of State, and we are working on a project called the Teaching Educators in Kyrgyzstan T.E.K project. In this project, teachers are improving their language skills, and they're also improving their technology skills, becoming more confident, and looking for ways to use this technology to incorporate it into the classroom to help prepare their students for the future. They're using artificial intelligence, enhancing their lessons through the use of technology.
With your students in the hall, the question is on the poll. Okay, so your partner.
My dream was to attend trainings like TESOL. But unfortunately, I couldn't afford to do it. And I must tell you that these 3 weeks was like a gift to me from the universe, because the level of expertise of Wendy Finlayson showed to me that yes, you can be an excellent teacher, you can be an excellent teacher trainer, you can speak English, and you can give this knowledge to the world.